Bernadette Sembrano, a well-known journalist in the Philippines, have done an interview with AJ Obiena and his mother. Watch the entire video. There's a lesson to learn in this particular video. This is Roberto from the Philippine Pride channel. NIH, the National Institute of Health, according to their research, being a parent is the most difficult job in the world, yet it's still the most rewarding job in the world.
Wala namang magulang na, walang magulang na gustong hindi ibigay yung magagandang schools, right? Kung hindi man namin kaya, hahanap at hahanap ng paraan. Yun.
And they did.
Yes.
They did.
Yun.
Through sports.
Through sports. Yun lang yung nakikita namin kasing way para ma-guide sila sa mapupuntahan nila. Dahil nakikita namin na mas maganda yung magiging future if you're graduate of these big schools. And iipon, tatrabaho, pero hindi namin alam kung kakayanin. Right? Pero kung meron siyang scholarship, at least nandun sila, may way kaming maggawa pa ng true ng trabaho, masustentuhan at matustusan kung ano man yung mapipili nila.
Hey! Congratulations to Janet Uy and Emerson Obiena for raising such good kids. Wala akong masasabi. Talagang super parents kayong dalawa. But anyway, Lydia De Vega, EJ Obiena, anong meron sila? What's the next video?